50 x 200 cm waterproof DIY car motorcycle sticker. This product can really sense with carbon fiber products compared, 100% waterproof. 3D graphic contrast, high-touch embossed surface finish. The ultimate in flexibility and conformability to curved surfaces. Easily cut. High stretchable ability. Can be cleaned with detergent and water. Durable. Scratch resistant. Resistant to solvents. Easy cleaning and maintenance. Stylish. Can stick anywhere. This product can use in car hood, rear wing, surrounded, parallel machine, mirror, walking on the board, your motorcycle, laptops, table. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share.